Rev up your engines, gearheads. Classic Instruments has just released the Zeus Link OBDII Module. This little module has everything you need to seamlessly integrate your Holley EFI and even your standard GM OBDII port to your vehicle's CAN bus to easily drive Classic Instrument gauges. You heard right, drive your Classic Instrument gauges with this little black box. It grabs all your vehicle's data from the CAN bus to accurately drive all your gauges. Best of all, it's easily managed on an app on your phone. After installation, the Zeus Link queries your vehicle to identify all available parameters for your gauge inputs. If your vehicle doesn't support a desired output, the Zeus Link still has you covered, offering traditional gauge action through the right senders. Within the app, you can configure and choose gauges for your dash, aligning with a virtual gauge screen. The app facilitates easy diagnostics, displaying received values and allowing users to cycle gauges for verification. The Zeus Link supports 6 standard gauges, 2 auxiliary gauges of choice with warning and check engine light outputs. The Zeus Link also provides convenient connections including dash lights and compatibility with Classic Instrument gauges. Additionally, it features diagnostic lights for power, BLE, and data status. With a pass-through CAN port for other devices, you can simply plug in your harness directly into the Zeus Link and then go to your Holley ECU or OBDII port. It makes for an easy setup for Holley EFI systems and other CAN devices on the same harness. 3 versions are available, one for use with Holley ECUs, Sniper models, and GM OBDII vehicles. Make your gauge installation as easy as it can be with Classic Instruments Zeus Link. Learn more at classicinstruments.com.